Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. And this time it's a different kind of unboxing for three reasons. It's a gift, and I'm the hardest one to buy a gift to or anything to, because if there's anything I want, I buy it. It sounds like bragging, but I'm very eager to buy things, and I buy things even if I don't even want them. So I'm very hard to buy something to. And I have already seen the shoes, so I usually do an unboxing when I see the shoes, for the first time myself. But I've already seen them. And for the third reason, this is a different kind of unboxing, is that they are custom made. So let's see. So if you follow me on Instagram, you have probably noticed that I have some shoes matching with my cars. And one of my friends that I call my photographer, when we took photos of my silver arrow, I wore the reflections of a Champion, I think the 7 or 8, that matched the car. But he have noticed my fashion for matching, and that I like both shoes and cars. So he thought I should have a pair of matching silver arrow sneakers to my silver arrow Mercedes SL. And here we have them. The guy that made them, I don't remember his Instagram, but I'm gonna post everything. Valle. So they started off as a panda, and the whole theme of the shoe is the silver arrow thing, and they are just beautiful, very nice, and a very nice gift. It's almost like, well, I will probably wear them once, but I do want to put them on display. So the guy that made the shoes, he made his own video as well, so I'm going to show that. But you can see that we have the Mercedes star, Mercedes logo, half of it, and we have Sir Pierre on the heels, and different kinds of blue, gray, silver colors on it. But the main thing is the Mercedes logo and the silver arrow that was there. Really, really nice. So custom made shoes with a meaning, with a point, with a theme. That's a perfect gift, even for the hardest guy to buy gifts to. The shoes was a gift from Philip, that called himself Fico. I have never called him Fico, or however he pronounced it, but Cars by Fico is his Instagram. I call him by his real name, Philip. And the guy that made the shoes is called Valle, but I'm gonna post some pictures and videos, and yeah, very nice gift. Thank you.
Hey, 5 a.m. in the parking lot. Old black trucks taking parking spots. She reached in my best to see I'm soft or not. I'm hard as a motherfucker, Scott La Rock. I gave a good dick, the type of hard to stop. The mad shots on to make an artist drop. Damn.